I just pulled up the black paper, and case in point, where is it? Where is it? Ah, there. See that? Right there. I mean, I ran my my hands down and the paper was hiding it and I couldn't see it. And I thought I had gotten them all, and I had 3 other ones of those over here, and I've already pulled them up, and I thought, I should have showed that. And I went over it a second time, making sure that I got them all. Okay, and you're not going to get all the black paper unless you take those staples out, and the staples stick up. Even if you pound them down, they still raise up a little bit. And this vinyl planking isn't that thick that they're going to put down, so I want to make sure it's smooth. And I'm going to do the best I can. There's not that many staples here in here. You know, take me 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and that's my time well spent. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.